guys, welcome back to my channel. This I just already opened this. This is how the box really looks like this. And it took me hours and hours to open it. So this is how it really looks like. Oh, I need to fix this. And then that. So we have this. This is for here. This one is for here. This one I think it's for here too or something. No. And then this is for here. And then this is for eyebrows or something. I don't know. Let's just see. Okay. Wow. I'm just so excited to show you. So I'll start to comb my hair. My hair is really nice, okay? Just do the top. Okay. And then here. Okay, we're done with that. I'll put that down. And then time for ta-da! I love these so much. I want pink and green. Now which one do you want? Tell me in the comments. I'll just choose what I want. There. 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 One more thing. I have to chop all over. I haven't tried these for a long time. Ta-da! Okay. So I'm done with this. I put that back.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Hi, Dad.
You're done now?
Almost.
Is it recording? It's not recording.
It is.
It is?
So, let's start with the lipstick. You know this. Look close. You see. So now I'm going to put lipstick. Done with the lipstick. And then now the last touch. See that? Okay, so we did this, and then this, and then this. All we have is these. I'll go for my eyebrows. This already has something. So I have to put this back. Now, for the last touch, you can choose between these. Which one do you even like? Tell me in the comments. So I'm choosing for, anything. I'll just choose this. It's really hard to open it. Open sesame. There you go. So I'll see you on my next channel. Bye.
Next channel.
Bye.
In my next video.